Today I'm going to show you how to convert a layer 2 port or interface into a layer 3 port. Okay, and we're going to use a switch for this. So here I'm in CML, Cisco Modeling Labs, and I got a topology. So I basically have a router directly connected to a layer 2 switch. Okay, so let me go ahead and console into the router and switch. Okay, so let me do a show interface brief. So we got an IP address assigned to Ethernet 0/0. And let me open the switch. Show IP interface brief. So here I'm going to assign a IP address to Ethernet 0/0. So these devices can communicate using Ethernet 0/0 on both ends. Okay. So conft interface Ethernet 0/0 IP address. So we notice that it's not actually completing the tab because this is not a layer 3 switch, port. Yeah, so invalid input detected at that marker. So we cannot assign a IP address because it's a layer 2 port. So how do we convert this into a layer 3 port? And by the way, the other way to basically verify that this is a layer 2 port is to do a show run all. So this will give you all the default configurations in this switch. And let me actually just go all the way down, look for that port here. So here we can see that this port interface Ethernet 0/0 is a switch port. So that's why we cannot assign an IP address to it. So to convert it into a layer 3 port, we need to do a no switch port. And the command is, no switch port. And now if I assign an IP address, I just hit the tab key and it's completing the command. 192.168.1.2 subnet mask that and no shut and save. Show IP interface brief. Now we see that this IP address is assigned to it. And we can verify that these two devices can communicate to each other by doing this command. By pinging the the router. Yeah, we can ping the router from the switch. Okay, so that's how to easily convert a layer 2 port or interface into a layer 3 interface. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.